Hello everyone and welcome back to English Explains. Today I come with this viral math question 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 12. Allowed to solve by your own. To feature in our sorted list by commenting your answer, must check out our full video for the complete answer and concept building. First we have to solve for this 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 12 part. There are many ways, but I will show you in the stepwise method. So as you know, we will follow the PEMDAS here. Okay, and here two operations are division, and if both operations have similar priority, then we have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve for this 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 8 part. So we will write again our question here like this. First we have to solve this part, and to solve this part we will use the KCF here. KCF stands for keep change flip. We have to keep 1 by 4 as it is, and we have to change this division into multiplication, and 1 by 8 will become, we will flip that and it will be 8 by 1 divided by 1 by 12. This is nothing, 4 times 1 and 4 times 2, that is 8. So we will get here nothing but 2 divided by 1 by 12. Okay, so we will again apply KCF here. Okay, so we will keep 2 as it is. This division will become multiplication, and 1 by 12 will become nothing but 12 by 1. Now what we will get? Simplest form, 2 into 12, which will be given to answer 24 as a right answer. So here 24 is the right answer. And if you are seniors 60 plus, then must check out this product list in the description, which will be help to ease your life and train your brain. And watch these videos and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.